Why are you not laughing?
Because it's not funny.
Babe, I'm getting really wet.
Really? Oh shit!
Oh, shit! Oh, you dumbass! Look, the child lock was on.
Oh,
you
damn.
idiot!
Oh, babe, I'm sorry your rabbit's dead. At least now you don't have to change his bed. Dealing with the pellet poop. Room smelling like a fucking chicken coop. Ooh.
What's that one thing your ex gave you that you can't quite get rid of?
Gang, 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 gang.
Let me hit that because you go first.
This my father, Tico. I come from my father. He's a mango man.
He's not a mango man, honey.
Đòn thắt lao. Mà mango man. Chị quay lụ. Mango man. Mango.
What?
Hi, what can I get for you?
Is your ice cream machine working?
Yes, it is.
Okay, can I just get one vanilla ice cream cone?
It actually just broke. So...
Things you have never seen. Your neighbors bringing in their groceries. Okay, why have I never seen that? Underfloor heating. I think no one's ever seen that. A baby pigeon. Yep, facts. How big traffic lights actually are. This is crazy. What a ramen noodle cup looks like on the inside. Weird. I didn't need to see that. A crane being built or taken down. This is honestly the 9th wonder of the world. Finally realized why it's called candy corn. Super bizarre.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs.
Baby, I love you so much. I would love this trip. I want to do so much. I want to go, we gotta go walk on the beach. We gotta go shopping. Maybe we can go.
Up. Bitch.
You fucking asshole.
That looked perfect.
Did it? Okay, we can edit.
I am a lost boy. Oh, no, I wasn't trying yet.
No, but that was so good, honey.
No, stop. Stop it. Stop smiling like that. It messes me up. Neverland. No, now I'm like nervous and I keep messing up because you're staring at me. If you go to another room, maybe I can sing better. I'm a lost. Are you videotaping me? I said no live photography. Now you can't sing at all. I am a lost boy. I am a lost boy. I am a lost boy from Neverland.
How deep is your love? Till at the ocean, pull me closer again. How deep is your love?
Welcome to Watch Mojo, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 stupid.
Sit in the chair.
Why do I gotta sit in the chair?
You ready?
Yeah, I still don't know what you're trying to... What the heck is wrong?
Be giving change to a homeless.
Welcome to Watch Mojo, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 stupidest people.
You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you.
What you know about rolling down in the deep?
Cat rabbit when he put the dick in it. How you nut and you barely put the tip in it. 60 seconds got him gone, that's a quick minute. He ain't never felt some pussy with some grip in it.
This industry is so disgusting. Somebody tried to get me to have S3S with them for a half.
Who said I can't wear my Converse with my dress? Well, baby, that's just me.
If I fuck you off this perk, you gon' think a nigga trip. If I fuck you off this perk, I'ma have that pussy drip. Let me fuck you off this motherfucking perk, bitch. Let me fuck you off this motherfucking perk, bitch. Let me fuck you off this motherfucking perk.
I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should've held on tight, I never should've let you go. And I was stupid, I was...
Radiator's fried. Carburetor's busted. You're gonna need a full tune-up. Don't bring it into the shop. I know those guys, and they're just dying to scam a boy like you out of your money. I'll do it for free. If I can bum one of those cigs and snag a beer.
Deal.
I'll get my stuff.
Wait. What's your name?
Jesse.
Oh, you don't like that? Or do you just not like me? Sorry, I don't treat you like a goddess. Is that what you want me to do? Sorry, I don't treat you like you're perfect, like all your little loyal subjects do. Sorry, I'm not made of sugar. Let's do it, mama, wanna have the kitty. She said, take it slow, put it down. What the fuck are you doing? She's trying to fuck me!
Get your ass on that bed and prepare for the night of your life.
But if I do, then I might miss you, babe. It's complicated and stupid, but my ass squeezed my sexy cupid. Guess he wants to play, I love game.
I was just trying to show off my new cleats, and these kids showed up.
Jeez, fucking cleats! Get out the fucking way before she run your ass over. My life just flashed before my eyes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm John Quinones with the TV show What Would You Do?
I cry, I pray, mon Dieu. I cry, I pray, mon Dieu. I cry, I pray, mon
Dieu. What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Louise.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Hello.
You're holding my stuff.
Hello, my little lady.
Hello, Mom.
I can't leave the crib unless I know I got the glamour. Hit her with that hammer if I don't, she throw a tantrum. Gon' bend it over, make it clap. It's your anthem. Run up.
Hey, sexy boy, set me free. Don't be so shy, play with me. My dirty boy, can't you see that you belong next to me?
Free. Now, why don't you go celebrate your freedom with your own friends?
But, I don't have any friends. And I'm not going out there by myself. Hey, wait a minute, I got a great idea. I'll stick with you.
Let's go back to the beginning. Back to when the earth, the sun, the stars all align.
Why is Dad looking at brother like that, all funny?
What man name?
You're looking at...
Because. Bit money.
Just eat his meat, Dad.
Don't talk about. Eat my meat.
I'm not gonna eat your meat, Dad.
Eat my meat.
It's Mr. 305, Mr. Worldwide, back at it again and let you know. I just came to remind y'all. Que ese culo bota caca.
Come on, Mom, what's wrong?
Your fucking brother's annoying. Your other brother is fucking irritating. You're like my therapist in the fucking dirtiest room in the house. Not dirty, but like, look at your blinds. They're fucking stupid. Look at your closet. Nothing in here is straight. I'm not even sure if you are at this point.
I'm officially off the rails. You should try it.
You were literally talking shit. Oh my god, you're literally such a pussy. You're the one talking shit. He was literally talking shit to me. You're the one swing first.
I'm concerned that my cat's relationship with her street cat boyfriend is getting toxic.
Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
Bro, like I'm dead. You killed me. I'm dead now. Boo. Bitch, I'm a...
How deep is your love? Till at the ocean, pull me closer again. How deep is your love?
Two best friends in a room, they might kiss.
Yes, we will.
What?
Yes, we will.
When the frat president gives attitude to the wrong couple.
I don't know why though. Like you're not the shit, bro.
Yeah, that's fine.
He's the president.
And you're not either.
He's the president. He's the.
What? Oh, what do you want me to? I'm sorry. Let me just bow down quick, guys. It's the fucking president of SAE. I'm so scared. What are you gonna do?
Fuck! Put your dick in my mouth.
Hey, you a fucking
Put your
minor.
dick in my
You
mouth.
in jail.
I'm
Get the
not
fuck
scared.
out.
Oh,
Get out.
You don't
right
scare
now.
me.
I'm literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs.
POV. I'm an 8th grade boy in the back of the classroom.
You seen the state of our body.
If I beat it out wearing a Johnny Adiola, wanna roll with the keys. You see me on the life, my sweetheart.
It started with the hay, lost a creaking, well it just started in the hay. With his long johns on, pop went a creeping up to the bottom to the hay.
Tell me you had a class with a celebrity without telling me you had a class with a celebrity.
Hey, it's a holiday. I got hope.
And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin.
Would've came back for you. I just needed time.
I'm gonna give my cat the phone and leave the room and see what he talks about.
Tell me your mom's dramatic without actually telling me your mom's dramatic.
Smoke shop workers. What's something a 21-year-old did that made you immediately want to ID them?
Have I got a story for you? Okay, so the first one's got to be the dumbest move that they can make, and that is to wear something like this to the store when they go to buy a tobacco product or alcohol. Hi, do you have any Vuse Alto Pods? Menthol 5%? Now, if they've smoked before at a friend's house, they've picked up on some of the terminology, but not really. Hey, buddy. Let me get one of those blunts. Yeah, which one you want? Let me get maybe one of those Swisher Sweets. What flavor? Oh, it doesn't matter. Just anyone. Now, it's either that or they're just too damn technical about what they're saying. Hey, buddy, yeah, do you have any of those 5% salt nicotine disposable puff bar wild berry vapors?
Hey, Mom. Yeah? I like your hair today. It looks really pretty. Oh, thank you. Can I touch it? Yeah. Your mustache is really soft. Never shaved it.
Oh, you don't like that? Or do you just not like me? Sorry, I don't treat you like a goddess. Is that what you want me to do?
Go ahead, Mom.
Men that I would replace my husband with.
Yeah, I know how this goes, Karen. It's going to say no one. What do you got, all the Avengers on here?
No, I also have Jason, Gerard, Dwayne.
What do you want, a first-name basis with these guys? Who's next?
Aw. You see, I've got you on there.
Oh, great. Now, how do I compete